The first step to heat press CAD-CUT Soft Foam heat transfer vinyl is to load your garment onto the press and ensure that your printing area is completely flat. With a flat printing area, I'm ready to set up my heat press for application. The first thing we're going to set is the temperature. Soft foam requires 300 degrees Fahrenheit for your temperature. Next, we'll set the time. Soft foam applies for 15 seconds. I'm also going to program a 5-second preheat into my control board. Next, I need to set up the pressure. Pressure is always best set with your garment loaded onto the machine, because that can impact the pressure. Soft foam requires a light to medium pressure, which is a 3 to 5 on my digital control board. I'm going to lock the press down. The digital control board is reading a 4, so I'm at a good pressure. Again, with the pressure set, with the time set, and the temperature set, I'm ready to conduct my preheat. I'll lock the machine down for the full 5 seconds to remove the moisture and the wrinkles from the garment. At that point, I'm ready to take my soft foam design and position it in place. It has a sticky backing to be able to hold nicely to the garment. Position it in place, cover it with a cover sheet, and then lock the press down for the time required. CAD-CUT Soft Foam is a cold peel, which means you will remove it from the press and remove the backing once it's cooled completely down to room temperature. Grab the corner of the CAD-CUT Soft Foam material and peel at a 45-degree angle to reveal your result.